Want to know how to add a summary calculation to your code in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up a Cursor AI application. So we have also created similar videos on how to get help with Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. So now, I have this C# code with me right here, so you can just simply open up any file that you want, and what you need to do is you need to just simply select the entire code. Now since we are modifying this code, just simply type quick edit right here. And now once after you quick edit, you need to just simply type in this prompt on the screen right here. Now once you have typed in your prompt, just simply select enter. And now once you have selected enter, as you can see right here, the code has been modified and changed. Now you can just simply select keep in order to keep the code, and you should be good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.